Hey there! Welcome to the ultimate guide to turning your Facebook page into a fully automated sales machine. Let's talk facts. Facebook is still one of the most powerful platforms for online business. With over 3 billion monthly active users, it remains a goldmine, especially for local businesses, e-commerce brands, service providers, coaches, and community-driven niches. And while Gen Z might be hanging out more on TikTok or Instagram, Facebook continues to dominate among millennials, Gen X, and boomers, aka the generations with the most purchasing power. But here's the thing, it's not just about posting. Your DMs are where the real sales happen. Because when someone reaches out to your page, they're interested. They're ready to buy. But if you miss that message, or take too long to reply, you lose the sale. That's why automating your Facebook Messenger is such a game changer. With the right tools, you can turn your inbox into a 24/7 revenue machine. And the best part? It's way easier than you think. You can have it up and running in under an hour. Oh, and we're doing it all completely free. Sounds good? Here's what you'll learn in this course. How to connect your Facebook account to the best free AI chatbot platform available. How to easily connect and train your AI assistant to start replying to your chats. How to use the Visual Flow Builder to design interactive message sequences. How to build an input flow to collect your leads data directly in the chat. How to automatically send that info straight to a Google Sheet. How to use the interactive elements to book appointments and showcase your store. How to create a persistent menu to guide your audience. How to train the AI to answer comments. How to set up message sequences and broadcast campaigns to follow up with leads and keep your sales flowing. And how to use the live chat to handle conversations. You can watch the whole thing and follow along from start to finish, or jump straight to the section you need the most. Alright, before we dive in, let's make sure you have everything ready. First, you'll need a Facebook page. This app does not work with personal profiles. A bot commerce account, which is the platform we'll be using to build and train your chatbot. And an OpenAI account, which will connect to make your bot super smart. Ready? Let's go. The first step is to connect your Facebook account to the chatbot platform. Go ahead and log into your bot commerce dashboard. From the main menu, navigate to Facebook Connect Account. Now click on Connect Account. Log in with Facebook. Accept the permissions and select the Facebook pages that you wish to link. Then, you can do the same with the Instagram accounts that are linked to them. After finishing the process, you will see all the pages listed here. Click on the Enable button to turn the connection on. Once you do this, go to the Bot Manager. If the process was successful, you will see your page there. Okay, so the first thing we will set up is the Get Started settings and the welcome message for your bot. Get Started looks something like this. Is a button, particular to Facebook Messenger, that prompts a first time lead to interact. Go to the Bot Manager, Get Started settings, and set the status as Enabled. Then, write a welcome message. This will be the first to be sent, independently of what the lead writes. I recommend greeting the lead. Click on First Name to personalize it, and explaining them how to interact with the bot. Let's say, send any question for the AI to answer, or send the word menu to select an option. We can also enable some icebreakers here with FAQs, but let's leave them for when we create the flows to answer them. For now, save. And let's set up the AI. Set up the AI assistant. This is where things get really exciting, because from here on, you're not just building a bot, you're creating an intelligent assistant for your business. In this guide, we will be using OpenAI, so the first step is adding your OpenAI API keys into the app. This is what allows your bot commerce chatbot to access OpenAI's powerful AI models and generate human-like responses. To get your API keys, head over to the OpenAI website. Scroll all the way down to the footer and click on API Login. If you already have a ChatGPT account, no need to create a new one. You can log in using the same credentials. Once you log in, open your API dashboard by clicking on the Dashboard button at the top right of the screen. To generate an API key, go to the API Keys section on the left sidebar and click on Create New Secret Key. Now it's time to configure that key. Give it a name you'll recognize later, something like Bot Commerce AI. For permissions, select All, so your bot has access to everything it needs. You can optionally assign it to a project, then click Create Secret Key. Copy the code that appears. This is your API key, and you'll need it in just a second. Now jump back to Bot Commerce. Log in, open the left sidebar, scroll down, and click on Settings. Head over to the Open AI Integration section. Paste the API key you just generated in the corresponding field. Then, choose a prompt model. Each model has different input limits, language capabilities, and costs. In most cases, GPT-4 offers the best balance between quality and pricing, but you can choose whichever fits your needs. And now, super important, you need to add credit to your OpenAI account for it to work. To do this, go back to your OpenAI dashboard and click on the settings icon at the top right corner, right before your profile picture. You'll land on the settings page. From the left sidebar, choose Billing. Click on Add a Payment Method, enter your card details, and save. Right now, I'll leave it like that since I already have some added. Then, go back to the Billing Overview tab and click on Add to Credit Balance. Choose how much you want to add. $10 is usually enough to cover both chatbot and AI content generator use for a whole month. Confirm the payment, and you'll see your credit available immediately. You can also enable auto recharge, which is super handy. This makes sure your chatbot doesn't suddenly stop working if you run out of credit. To do this, go back to the billing overview and click Enable Auto Recharge. Set how much credit should trigger a recharge and how much should be added. Save your changes, and now you're covered. Okay, now that the key is added and your credit is active, let's create your AI assistant. Bot Commerce's AI assistant is powered by OpenAI, and it's designed to help you offer smarter, more natural conversations. Unlike traditional bots, this one understands your users using NLP, that's natural language processing, and can answer with accuracy, context, and even tone. To get started, go to your Bot Manager dashboard and click on the AI Assistant tab. Enable the AI Assistant, then click on Create Campaign. This will open a new tab, where we'll set up your custom training data. First, give your campaign a name and set up a system prompt. This prompt acts like your assistant's personality. You can say something like, "You are our support agent." Answer in a friendly and helpful tone. If you don't know something, suggest the user contact our human team. Keep it short and focused. We'll add more info through training data in a moment. Once ready, click Save. Next, click the plus button to add training data. This opens a new tab where you can upload files, URLs, and manual FAQs. Let's explore each one. Method 1. Add FAQs manually. This is the most basic and precise method. Just write the question, press Enter, then write the answer. You can add as many FAQs as you want using the Add More FAQs button. Don't forget to click Save when you're done. Method 2. Add content using a URL. This is a bit more advanced, but powerful. It lets you train the bot by pulling content directly from your website. Click on New to add a website. Paste its URL. Then go to the page you want to extract data from. Look for the place where important data has been posted, for example, a paragraph about the business. Right-click on it and select Inspect Element from the menu. Copy the CSS selector for that element and paste it in the selector name field. You can also exclude parts of the page using CSS selectors in the exclusion box. Once the tool grabs the content, it'll generate FAQs automatically. Review them, make any edits needed, and click Save. Repeat this process for as many URLs as you want. Method 3. Upload training files. You can upload text, doc, or PDF files up to 2 MB. In the right panel, click on Files, then hit the New button. Choose your file, upload it, then click Generate FAQ. Again, review the generated FAQs, make edits, and click Save. You can do this multiple times to enrich the assistant's knowledge base. Once you've added your training data, it's time to activate the AI Assistant in your accounts. Go back to the AI Assistant tab in Bot Commerce and select the campaign you just created. For mode, choose AI as fallback only. This way, the AI will only respond when no keywords match any interactive flow, so you still get the full benefits of Bot Commerce's automation features. You can also set restricted topics. These are words or themes the AI should avoid. Just list them, separated by commas. Below that, write a custom message the bot will send when restricted keywords are detected. Something like, "Sorry, I can't help with that. Please contact our team directly." If you want, you can enable contextual memory, which allows the AI to remember past messages from the user. Choose how many conversations it should remember to keep things relevant. You can also turn on the human agent transfer feature. If someone says, "I want to speak with a human," the AI steps aside and hands over the conversation. No awkward confusion, just smooth transitions. Finally, let's connect the AI to your No Match template. Go to Action Buttons and select No Match. Replace the text component with an AI component. Under Training, choose the campaign you just created and click Save. Boom, you're done. From now on, your assistant will respond automatically whenever a message doesn't match your flows. You can also reuse this same AI campaign across different accounts and channels. Just go to the AI Assistant section of the new account, enable the assistant, select the existing campaign, and adjust the settings as needed. And that's it. Your intelligent, open AI-powered assistant is live and ready to level up your customer experience. Alright, so by now, your AI assistant is doing a great job answering all your customers' questions. But what if you want them to answer you? That's where user input flows come in. This is a super useful feature when you want your chatbot to not only answer questions, but also ask them back and store the replies. Step 1. Go to your bot manager. Click on Bot Reply, Create to open the Visual Flow Builder. This is where you build all the interactive sequences that complement your bot. So let's walk through one. Click on the Start component to begin. Here's where you configure your triggers. First, add the keywords that will activate this flow, like subscribe or subscription. Make sure you select String Match, so the bot can catch those keywords even when they're part of a longer sentence. Then, give your flow a title. You can optionally add a label like subscriber. This is helpful to segment your leads later for things like broadcasts or automations. You can also assign conversations to a team or agent, but for now, we're keeping that blank. Now, let's build the actual flow. At the top of the Visual Flow Builder, you'll see a list of components. These are your building blocks. We'll start by dragging an interactive text element into the doc. Double-click to configure it. Add a header and a message, and personalize it with the user's first name by clicking right here on First Name. Then, add a button. Just drag and drop to create it. When the user taps that button, we want it to send a new message. And once again, we'll label that user as subscriber and leave the rest of the fields blank. Now it's time to collect data. Drag the user input flow component into the doc and connect it to your button. Double-click it to configure. Give it a title, and click Save. Now let's start asking questions. First question, what's your first name? This will be a free text input, so we'll choose that. Here's where we decide where to store that answer. You've got system fields, which are built in, like email, phone, birthday, or location. And you've got custom fields, where you can define whatever you want. In this case, we'll create a custom field called first name. You can also choose what kind of response you expect: text, image, file, video. In our case, we'll keep it simple with text. Hit Save. Let's repeat the process for the email. Ask your question, and this time, since email is already a system field, just select it from the list. Done. Now let's make it a little smarter with a multiple choice question. Let's ask the user, what topic are you most interested in? Add your options right here. The reply type will be text, and we'll store this one in a custom field called topic of interest. You'll also see an option to let the user skip this question, but I want to make it required, so I'll leave that blank. All questions done? Now drag the thank you message to the end of your flow. Let's personalize this too. Write your message and choose which field to use for their name. Important note here. You'll see two options. One is the user's default Facebook name. That's the one saved in their Facebook account. The other is the custom field we created earlier, first name, which comes directly from the user's reply. Use the custom field to make sure it's personalized with what they told you, not what Facebook thinks their name is. Then hit Save. Time to test it live. I'll open Facebook and send a message to my bot. Let's see what happens. There's the button we created. I tap it, and boom, the questions start rolling in. Everything looks personalized, and the data is flowing. Now, where does that data go? Easy. Go to the subscriber manager. Search for the number you used, and voila, you'll see all the responses right there. You can even download it as a CSV file. Saving your customer data directly into a Google Sheet using BotCommerce is super helpful if you want to analyze your customers, send automatic WhatsApp messages, or target them with specific offers based on what they've ordered or the services they're interested in. Let me show you how to set it up. First, we need to connect your Google account. Head over to Settings in the Administration section and click on Google Sheet. Now click on Sign in with Google account. Choose the Gmail account you want to use. You'll be asked for a few permissions. Just allow all of them. Once that's done, you'll be redirected back to BotCommerce, and you'll see your Gmail account successfully connected. Next, click the Sync Data button. This pulls in all your Google Sheets, so you can use them directly inside the platform. Let's create a new Google Sheet. Click on the Create button. Now select the Gmail account where you want to create this sheet. Let's give the sheet a title. Now, add a header row with the fields you want to capture, for example, first name, email, and topics of interest. Hit Save. To check if the sheet was created correctly, click on the Actions button and open the sheet directly from there. Now go to the Bot Manager, find the user input flow we created earlier, and click the Edit button. Double-click on the user input flow component, and from the drop-down, select the new Google Sheet we just created. Save everything, and let's test it out. Go back to your chatbot, trigger your user input flow, and start answering the questions. Once you complete the flow, return to the Google Sheets page in BotCommerce, refresh it, and you'll see the data show up right there, neatly stored and ready for you to use. And that's how you connect Google Sheets with BotCommerce to collect, store, and take action on your customer data. So by now, your chatbot is handling customer conversations like a pro and collecting their data. But what if you want it to go further and actually sell? In that case, we can make use of some interactive tools, exclusive to Facebook, that are available within BotCommerce. First one are carousels like this one, perfect for displaying products. To create one, start a new flow. Configure the start sequence with its keywords and title. Then drag a carousel element into the dock. Double-click on the initial component. This one is just in case you want to add a typing delay. And then, the good part starts with each single element. Click on them. Upload an image of your product, and give it a title and subtitle. You could add a link here, but I prefer to leave it empty. Rather, let's configure the button with Buy Now, and a link to the web page where they can purchase it. Now, another way in which you can make interactive buying experiences inside of the chatbot is by integrating web views. These are basically windows to a website that are projected inside of Facebook and can be interacted with. Let's use the button of the second carousel element to exemplify it. Here, as an action for the button, I will select Web View, Full. Finally, let's configure the third element of the carousel with its image, and a button meant to send another message. We connect it. It can be the instructions for paying this item. I will add an additional audio with instructions, and an image with card details. See what I did? 3 ways to guide a purchase. Let's save and test. Here's the keyword. There we have the product showcase. And let's test the buttons so you see the difference. This one, the link, will literally take me to the page out of Facebook. Let's go back. Now the web view, it opens this window. And I can complete the purchase right here. Finally, the third button sends me the payment details. And that's how you configure a sales assistant. Experimenting with all these elements, you can create several flows for several keywords and customer needs. For example, I can create a bot that books appointments directly in the chat with the web view. Let's see how. First, I need a calendar app. I will use Calendly here, but you can take any that you like. Here, I have created this event, a 30-minute meeting for the incoming leads of a marketing agency. As you can see here, I have already set my working hours and connected Calendly to my Google account. Here's how it looks for my leads. I will click here to copy its link. Now, create a new flow. As keywords, let's write appointment, book, and meeting. Give it a title and save. Now, add a tech component. Here, we will write something like, please select your preferred date and time on the calendar. You will receive the confirmation and link to join via email. Add a button. Let's name it Open Calendar. And as the action, I will select Web View and paste the calendar link. Let's save and test. There we have the button, and there's the calendar. Once a lead selects a date, it will automatically be blocked. Now, if you want to guide your customers through all the information in a more structured way, we can take big advantage of creating a menu with options to trigger different flows, or postbacks, as they are called in the app. Let's explore how. Go to the Bot Manager, click on Persistent Menu, Create. Here, in the menu title, write an option. For example, book a meeting. Then, in the operator, we will select Postback to trigger a chatbot flow, and then select the one we created with the calendar before. Click on Add to create a second option. This time, we could say Subscribe and select the Postback for the user input sequence. Let's add a couple more with postbacks I had already built. Save. Finally, click on the Options button and publish the menu. You can also remove it from here. And let's test. There you have it. Now, your customers have quick access to all the important information. Okay, so now the messenger is all set up, but there's another essential to Facebook interaction that can and must be automated with your bot: the comment replies. With bot commerce, you can make the AI not only answer comments, but also send an automatic DM with details or even purchase information. So how to do it? Let's see. Go to the comment automation section inside of Facebook. Now here you will see all your connected pages and the most recent posts. You can enable both an automatic reply for the whole page and individual automatic templates for individual posts. What I recommend is adding the AI for all comments with an automatic, generic DM. So that's what we will do here. Click on Enable Full Page Reply and scroll down the modal form. You will see there are 3 ways to create automated comment replies. Filtering by word/sentence, just like the chatbot flows we created before. Creating a generic message that will be the same for every single comment. And automating, as we said, with AI. Let's go with that one. Now, here the training gets a little tricky, since you can't select the campaign you created before. Instead, you need to create a monologue-like speech containing all the important information about your business. You can make it agile by simply pasting all the information that needs to be known in a document and asking ChatGPT to rearrange it, writing as the AI assistant of your company. Here's how mine looks after that. Paste the result in the app and give this campaign a name. Now, down here we have the automatic DM that will be sent automatically to the commenter. Click on Add Message Template to open the Flow Builder in a new window. Design it and save. Then, go back, click on Refresh List and select it. Then, enable the comment reply over here. If you also want to hide or delete some spammy or offensive comments, you can do it up here. Just add some keywords to identify them, for example, fake. You can select an automatic DM for those commenters too, but right now we will leave it like this. Save and enable the campaign. Now, let's test it. I will leave a comment. There's the notification with the answer. And here's the DM. Now, if you want to create an auto reply for a specific post only, then you have to create it as a template. Click on Manage, Reply Template, Create. Select the page and a type of campaign. Note that we do not have AI over here, only keyword-based responses. Let's add one for the keyword price. Note that you can add an image or video to go with your comment. Let's also create its DM reply as before. Select it and save. Now, go back to Comment Automation and look for the post where you want to add this auto reply. Click on the settings icon and select Enable Auto Reply. Select the template we created before. You can also add a label for commenters, for example, lead. Save. Now, this specific reply will be sent whenever somebody comments price on that post. And that's how you automate comment replies. When it comes to lead follow-up, Facebook has several options. One of them is broadcasting messages to specific subscribers. You can do this with the recurring notification postback feature in Bot Commerce. Let's see how. First, go to the Bot Commerce dashboard and click on Bot Manager. Then select your bot and click RCN Postback Manager. Click on the Create button. It will open up a new bot flow page. Double-click on it, give it a trigger word, give it a title, and add a label. Click Save. Create a new flow with RCN. Give it a title and select RCN Postback ID as New RCN. Upload your picture for RCN. Click Save. It will create a new card. Double-click to open it. Give the template a name. Add a label and then click Save. Then create a new text flow to add your customized message. Click Save. Save the flow from the top right corner. Let's test the Facebook chatbot. The bot is working. Let's go back from the bot flow page and head to the broadcasting page. Create a new broadcast. Select Broadcasting as Action and give the campaign a name. Select your target RCN template. Select your label for targeting. It will show you how many target subscribers will be broadcasted. Give a title for your bot flow, then create a text message card from the flow. Here, write the text message you want to broadcast to your audience. Click Save on the top right corner. It will start broadcasting. You can view the status from the broadcasting page. Let's wait a bit. After a few minutes, the status says completed. Let's view it. We can see the message has been sent. Let's check one from the subscribers to see what it has sent. We can see it sent the exact same message it wrote in the broadcasting flow. This is how you do a broadcast campaign using the RCN Postback Manager. The Sequence Message Campaign feature lets you automate communication with both active and inactive users, nurturing your leads and improving engagement at just the right times. Plus, it helps you stay on top of performance, so you know which sequences are hitting the mark. Let's dive into how to create a sequence message campaign. First, go ahead and create a new flow. Double-click on the Start Bot flow. Select the Subscribe to Sequence option and create a brand new sequence. Don't forget to hit Save after making your changes. The sequence will appear by itself like this. Double-click on New Sequence Campaign and give your sequence campaign a name. It's time to specify the preferred delivery time for messages scheduled outside that 24-hour window. You can select an hour and the time zone from the time zone field. As message tag, I will select Account Update. Now, let's configure the actual sequence. Double-click on the next Send Message after Components and decide how long after the previous message the next one should be sent. You can set this to your preference. We will set the first time frequency after 1 hour, selecting within 24-hour time window. The second one is day 1, selecting outside 24-hour time window, which is after 24 hours. And the last one will be day 2, selecting outside 24-hour time window, that is after 48 hours. Once you're done setting the timings, connect the message components. Whether you're sending text, images, or buttons, just make sure they're all in place. Once that's done, click Save. Now let's talk about how leads get connected to your sequence. You can add a sequence at the start of other flows so that any lead interacting with them gets automatically subscribed. Alternatively, you can manually subscribe a lead from the live chat or from the subscriber manager. And that's it. With this feature, you can fully automate your communication, keep users engaged, and track what works best for your business. Automation is powerful, but some conversations still need the human touch. That's where live chat comes in. To use the live chat, we first need to set up 2 things: the language of the account and the agent role, so you can add your team to handle conversations. So, before jumping into your chats, let's make sure you've got your preferred language set up for live translations. Click on the Account section. You'll usually find this in your Profile dropdown or Settings panel. Then, look for Live Chat Translator language. Just select your preferred language from the drop-down menu, hit Update, and you're good to go. This ensures that anytime you're chatting with someone in another language, you can translate their message instantly. No awkward copy-paste needed. Now, to set up the agent role, open the app. Go to the Management section at the bottom of your left sidebar and click on Team Roles. Inside the Team Roles page, tap on Create. Give the role a name. In this case, it's Sales Agents. In the bottom section, select the modules that people with this role will have access to. Also, specify if they will be able to create, update, delete, or manage the content within those sections. For Sales Agents, we recommend turning on all the live chat permissions, as well as the subscriber manager. When you are finished, click on Save. Once your new role is created, you have to assign people to it. Click on Team Members under the Management section at the left sidebar. On the Team Members page, click on Create. You will create a new account for your collaborator. Provide their name and email. Give them a password to log in, and assign them a role. Finally, indicate the accounts that this specific collaborator will be able to see and manage. Turn on the Allow Assigned Chat to grant them access as an agent on the live chat tools. Finally, make sure their status is enabled, and click on Create. So, now that you have the agents and the language in place, let's go back to the dashboard and explore the actual live chat. Once you're in the live chat view, you'll see it's divided into 3 main sections: the subscriber list, the chat window, and the chat actions panel. Let's take a look at each. Over on the left is your subscriber list. This is where all your customer conversations live. You can change between accounts and use the search bar to quickly find someone by name, or tap the little filter icon to narrow things down by label, sequence, or sort by most recent replies. Want to view only your assigned chats? Click Mine. Need to see everything? Choose All Chats. You can also filter by unread, archived, blocked, or resolved conversations. Oh, and if you're ever wondering if a new message came in, toggle sound alerts with the bell icon. And if you manage multiple accounts, switch between them using the drop-down at the top. Now let's move to the center. This is your chat window, where all the real-time magic happens. Need to organize things? Click Mark as to archive or block someone. And here's the star of the show, the Translate button. Whenever you get a message in a different language, just click Translate and you'll get an instant clear translation based on the language you selected earlier. To pause the AI chatbot temporarily to intervene, click on Actions, Pause Bot Reply. You can turn it back on in the same place. Here, you can also subscribe or unsubscribe users, reset flows if someone's stuck in a chatbot loop, clear chat history, just from your view, and leave chat once you're done. Click here to send a pre-designed flow to the user. If you want to tidy up any message before sending it, hit Rewrite with AI to clean up grammar or spelling. Need to share a file? Just click here and upload it. Images, PDFs, docs, it all works. You can also create canned responses for frequently asked questions. Click on the icon to see them all, or add a new one. You can later call them using the / symbol while typing. On the Chat Actions panel, you can assign chats to specific teammates. Use labels to tag conversations by type, like billing or support, and custom fields to store key info about each customer. You can fill these out manually or have them auto-filled by your bots. Need to leave a reminder for yourself or a teammate? Add a note to the chat. Remember to save any changes so they are actually applied. And just like that, you're ready to master the live chat with bot commerce. Congratulations! You've now learned how to build and optimize a free Facebook AI chatbot for your business in 2025. With these tools and techniques, you can now automate the most time-consuming aspects of your business, freeing you up to focus on what really matters: growth, strategy, and expanding your reach. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to implement your new AI chatbot and watch your business thrive with less effort and more results.